Hey, hi Bangalore, Namaskara. This is Suman from Dr. Averiswar. So today we have came up with an Denon make soundbar. So this is the soundbar actually. The soundbar model will be, I think you can see here. So DHT-S316 Denon make soundbar. This is a 2.1 soundbar. So this is what the internal video and I will show you the what is the exact issue thing and all. So you can see that thing and all here. You can so. So this is the thing. So actually the issue with the system is like it's a jarring, like in the low volume there is no jarring, in the high volume you are getting like a high jarring. So usually what I thought like a issue with the speaker thing and all. So this is what the speaker, so oval type some speaker is there usually in these speakers and all. So I think you can see here, right? So this is the part here, this is usually made from the foam. So foam, this there are the two types of this part is there, foam and rubber will you will get in the premium segment, sort of high subwoofer sound output and all. So in the low cost cutting effective and all they will use a foam type. So usually I thought like they have used a foam thing. So due to age old age, how to say for that, so for like it's old system, so this has gone bad. So that's the reason you are getting like this system is getting a jarring thing. But unfortunately this is working fine, like luckily this is a in the good condition only, there is no issue. So issue with the amplifier section only. So this is the amplifier section. So this part will be amplifier section, and the microcontroller, Bluetooth, everything will be HDMI, transceiver, everything will be in this section. So I think inside you can see here, right? So this is the Bluetooth module, and as usual power supply. This is the power supply. And you will get a same as in all soundbar. One is a mid-range subwoofer, and you will get a tweeter, and here from, and in another side also same thing. So this will be placed here, mid-range subwoofer with a tweeter. It's a full range speaker actually, full range speaker, not even a subwoofer, I'm sorry. It's a full range speaker along with a HF for a crispy sound quality and all. They have given this thing. So this is what internal video with some information regarding the what is the issue in this system. So thank you and all, bye bye.